Hello, this is Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club, and in front of us is the 1966 Chevy El Camino. This one has been fully restored. The underside looks as good as the top side. Lots of great features on this one. Taking a look at that original grille, you do have aftermarket lights, LEDs. We'll show you those as we get into it, but those are beautiful on, beautiful off, nice and clear and clean. All the lenses are in good shape, all the chrome's in good shape. It is a full restoration. So this one has a Crate 350 engine in it that we put in at the time of restoration. So fresh 350 under there. You do have four-wheel disc brakes, we'll show you those, but everything is brand new under here. Power steering, brand new brake master cylinder. There's your power steering, full pulley system, all brand new. And check out that aluminum radiator, gorgeous fan. Everything crisp and clean. Upgraded ignition on there. And that is a electronic choke as well for a really easy startup. So this is one of those rigs where it's just a plug and play, drive in, trailer at home, drive it home, or have it shipped to you, and it'll be ready to use from day one. So taking a look at down the length of the car, it's just a phenomenal body. Aftermarket wheels, low profile tires, and then we'll show you, but disc brakes all the way around and just no curbing on any of those wheels. So gorgeous body, gorgeous paint. And same with the interior. Everything from the door cards to brand new door seals. New carpet, painted to match dash, and it's a 4-speed manual transmission. We'll take a good look at how great that vinyl is. Full bench seat, nice headliner. I mean, it's just a complete car all the way around. We'll jump in on that driver's side, but just a lot of attention to detail and no gotchas on this one. And that famous El Camino bed that has been rhino lined. So beyond just being able to keep it in good shape, it's completely usable versus a painted bed where you'd be, you know, hesitant to throw anything back there. You want to use this for any sort of like gear storage or transport a bike, etc., or just leave it empty. Nice, clean, and finished as well. So taking a look down at the lines of the car, nothing funky or unusual. You know, really good paint work. No signs of poor prep that you see in some cars. No cracking of the paint or orange peel, anything like that. We'll go ahead and take a look at the driver's side. All the gauges are clean. Go ahead and hop in there, Z. All your gauges are clean. Original instrument cluster. And then above the gear shift, you do have your aftermarket gauges, temperature, etc. So go ahead and start it up so we can listen to the engine versus me. I'll just show you these door jambs. All brand new seals as mentioned. and then we'll give it a listen, and we'll do some lights, and we'll go for a drive. So those belts need to be tightened. Heard a little squeal there. We'll take a look at those, the tensioner. And it is dual exhaust as well. Great sound. And we'll show you the lights. So those are the basically the running lights. With the dual exhaust. Suspension is great going through those bumps and ditches. Traffic day on our test drive course. It's jet week. We'll catch some open road coming back. We'll try and grab a few more gears coming back. There's all your jets. There's reverse. Maybe not. Well, there's a small operation of the vehicle. Definitely rifles through all the gears. We're not going to get it with the traffic on the road today, but this is Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. If you've got more interest in this vehicle, want it in your garage, you can give me a buzz at 208-721-1973, and thanks for watching.